has been a really busy year for the housing service, as we continue to deal with challenges due to the cost of living pressures and rising inflation. It is very important that you, our tenants, have information about how we have performed as your landlord. So in this video, we'll present some of the key achievements for the year of 2023-24. Tenant Satisfaction Survey. Here are some information about the satisfaction levels from our tenants, gathered from a survey we ran last year to help us understand where we need to improve. From the responses, 78.7% of tenants said they are satisfied with the overall service provided by us, and 82.6% of tenants who responded feel that we are good at keeping them informed about services and decisions. Your rent. As your landlord, we need to set rents and service charges in consultation with tenants and other customers, so there is a balance between the level of services provided and how affordable rents are. Last year, 80.4% of our tenants told us they feel their home is value for money. Perth and Kinross council rents were also lower than in neighbouring local authorities and the national average, at £79.74 per week. This makes us the fourth lowest council rent in Scotland. Housing quality and maintenance. We appreciate that, over the last year, some tenants who have reported a non-urgent repair may have been waiting for a while for the job to be carried out. We are currently experiencing a backlog of non-urgent repairs jobs due to capacity issues with our in-house repairs team and our contractors. This is a knock-on from the backlog of work that built up during COVID restrictions. We are currently putting in place extra capacity that will allow us to tackle the backlog, while still responding to emergency repairs and urgent works, as these are reported to us. Last year, we have completed a total of 6,635 emergency repairs and a total of 7,971 non-emergency repairs. We also purchased 48 ex-council homes to add to our housing stock through our buyback scheme and built 40 new council homes for affordable social rent. Since 2012, we have built over 400 new council homes. Housing access and support. As your landlord, we must ensure that people who are looking for housing get information that helps them make informed choices about the range of housing options available to them. In the last year, we let a total of 633 homes to new tenants. We provided housing options advice to 2,398 people. 107 households were supported to access the private rented sector. We also had the shortest length of stay in temporary accommodation last year, with an average of 63 days, compared to the national average of 216 days. Keeping you informed and involved, we need to ensure that tenants find it easy to communicate with us and get the information they need about our services and the decisions we make. Last year, 73.9% of tenants who responded to the consultation told us they were satisfied with the opportunities we provide to participate. On our PKC Tenants Facebook page, we increased the number of followers from 2,539 to 3,018, with a monthly average audience reach of around 9,000. The number of tenants voting on preferred rent level options increased from 2,625 in the year before to 2,944 in the last year. Other customers. The council's housing service is the landlord for two settled gypsy traveller sites, Double Dykes in Perth and Bobbin Mill near Pitlochry. The council has secured £4 million of funding to replace all of the 20 chalets at Double Dykes, with brand new energy-efficient accommodation for residents. At Bobbin Mill, we have worked alongside tenants to make improvements to the site, and our staff have engaged with residents to improve their digital skills to help them make best use of online services. We hope you found this video informative. Our staff and service remain fully committed to improving our service for the upcoming year. Thank you for watching.